Imagine hiring a designer, writer, video editor, and voice actor. But none of them are human. Welcome to 2025, where AI websites are replacing traditional freelancers faster than ever. In this video, we'll explore 5 incredible AI tools that can do professional work faster, cheaper, and sometimes even better. Let's begin. Number 1. ChatGPT. This AI is more than just a chatbot. It can write blog articles, marketing copy, YouTube scripts, and even code entire websites. Businesses now use ChatGPT instead of hiring full-time writers or virtual assistants. It's fast, available 24/7, and never complains. Number 2. Midjourney. Graphic designers used to spend hours crafting visuals. Now, Midjourney can generate breathtaking artwork in seconds, just by typing a few words. From logos to product mock-ups, companies are using AI-generated visuals for ads, thumbnails, and even movie posters. Number 3. ElevenLabs. Need a professional voice actor? ElevenLabs uses AI to clone realistic voices that sound exactly like real humans. You can create narration, dubbing, or audiobooks in any accent, without ever recording a thing. Number 4. Pictory. This tool turns text into videos automatically. Just paste your script, and Pictory will generate visuals, background music, and voiceovers, perfect for YouTube channels or social media content creators. It's like having an entire video production team inside one website. Number 5. Durable.co. This one's wild. It can build a complete website in under 30 seconds. Just type what your business does, and Durable instantly generates your homepage, images, and content, all powered by AI. Now, let's be clear, these tools don't make freelancers obsolete. They make average freelancers replaceable. Because the real power lies in combining human creativity with AI efficiency. So instead of fearing AI, learn to work with it. Because the people who know how to use these tools will be the ones running the future. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.